What'd you say?
Cheese and crackers.
Cheese and crackers? What are we gonna go do?
I don't know.
What are we coming out here to build?
A snow fort.
Oh man, do you think we have enough snow?
I think so.
Whoa. Yeah, I think we have enough snow.
Yeah, because there's a lot of ground here.
I'm pretty sure we'll be okay.
Yeah.
How tall is that mound? Oh, that's your picnic table over there.
Uh-huh.
Do you think we should have a cookout and sit at our patio table?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down now.
Let's keep walking to find more snow, and then we'll come back.
Okay, say hi to everybody on the camera.
Hi.
See you later.
See you later.